Hi everyone, welcome once again for the activity session today. This is again for the English language, and this activity can be used to write an essay or a paragraph. It's a very simple activity. You don't need anything much for this activity, just a plain page, A4 size sheet is only the requirement here. You have to fold this paper like this to get 4 different boxes. For rest of the part of this activity, we have to go to the PPT session. So let's meet there. As you are aware that only a plain A4 size sheet is required for this activity. This activity we can say a 4 square writing activity. As the name suggests here, the paper should be folded into 4 square. In the next picture, you can see how you are supposed to fold the A4 size sheet. You can take any colored A4 size sheet, draw a box in the middle of the page after unfolding the A4 size sheet, and in this box you are supposed to write the topic on which you want to write a paragraph or an essay. Like I have selected the topic, I will never forget a family trip to Ooty. In the next slide, you can see the topic sentence is written in the middle of the paper and there are 4 boxes. In the first 3 boxes, you will write some supporting documents for the topic sentence, and in the last square, you will write a feeling sentence. How do you feel when you go to a family trip? We plan to visit Ooty during summer vacation. My father booked air tickets for all. We stayed in a guest house there, and the feeling sentence should be, it was the best trip ever. This way you can write supporting sentences for the topic sentence and a feeling sentence for the topic sentence. In the next slide, you will see I have written 4 square plus 1. The meaning of 4 square has already been discussed in the previous slides. Plus 1 means write one more detailed sentence to support the supporting sentence. Like the first supporting sentence is, we plan to visit Ooty during summer vacation. If we are going somewhere to visit some place, so we have to manage some of the things. First thing is, we have to pack all the things well in advance to reduce the chaos. So this can be our first detailed sentence for the first supporting sentence. Second supporting sentence is, my father booked air tickets for all. When we are going by air, then we need to reach the airport on time. For that, we need to hire a taxi. So second detailed sentence may be, we hired a taxi to reach the airport on time. Third sentence is, we stayed in the guest house. The detail can be added, like view outside of the guest house was amazing. Remember one thing, need not to add any detailed sentence in the feeling sentence. If you are using this activity for the primary students, this activity up to this stage is enough. See, I have framed some sentences to make an essay here. The first red color line is the topic sentence, and the last red color line is the feeling sentence. Rest of the sentences are framed using the supporting sentences and the detailed sentences. If you are using this activity for the upper primary kids, 4 square plus 3 technique will be used. 3 means you have to add 3 detailed sentences instead of 1 detailed sentence. Need not to write the full sentences here, write the hints only and elaborate those hints while writing the actual paragraph. Like first supporting sentence, we plan to visit Ooty during summer vacation. 3 details can be packing of the things, excitement for the trip, first air journey. Second, my father booked air tickets for all. Details are taxi to airport, boarded the plane, landed and started for the guest house. We stayed in a guest house, and the detailed sentences may be: view from the guest house, hired a taxi to visit, returned back to the native place. And the feeling sentence will be same: it was the best trip ever. Using these supporting sentences and all the three detailed sentences and the feeling sentence, you can frame the sentences to write a paragraph. As you can see here, the first line is same the topic sentence, the last line is same as the feeling sentence. Rest of the lines are just elaborated using the supporting sentences and the detailed sentences. If this activity is being used for the senior secondary students, then you can use a word T. T means transition word. Transition word will help you to elaborate the content, to continue with your content. It will give you a fluency. Like you can see here in this slide, all the supporting sentences and 3 detailed sentences are already written here. Now we have to add one transition word to each of the box. The first transition word for the first box is refreshing. I have selected. Window seat for the second box. Later is for the third box. And you can add a transition word for the feeling sentence also. Basically, the topic has been divided into 4 parts actually. These 4 parts will be used to frame the sentences, to write an composition or to write an essay. So using these topic sentence, supporting sentences, detailed sentences, transition words and the feeling sentence, we can frame the lines, and those lines can be used to write an essay or a composition or a paragraph. Like you can see here, all the blue words are the transition words. Red colored line is the topic sentence, and the last red color line is all the feeling sentence. So this way you can also write your essay using the topic sentence. Like I have selected one topic about which you can also frame sentences to write an essay or a composition. As the topic I have selected in this slide is I will never forget my 10th birthday. Now try to write an essay using this topic sentence. Thank you. So I hope you all have enjoyed this activity very much, and you'll be able to write your own essay or a composition if any topic is given to you. So thank you for watching.